As the sun rose up into the sky, and all I could hear was birdsong. And the hackneyed tones of Radio 1. I knew something was wrong. And as I lay and tried to remember, with tightly closed eyes, I felt soft warm fingers trace a course from the small of my back to the inside thigh. Bite your lip, pretend you're asleep, and hold your breath and count to 10. And when you open your eyes, just hope you're back in bed with your girlfriend again. I recall a bottle of vodka in Pastor Mind's friend, and a strange party piece with a Swiss Army knife, with me and your girlfriend. Or is she your wife? I know my bedroom's white and this one's green, with posters of bands I hate. And there's a whiff of petunia, and I know it's not me. An air of hell, decaf tea, and as a breast or two squash into my back, a rambling yawn floats over, and it smacks me in the mouth just what this is all about. I'm bed with your best friend. I've never done this sort of thing before, and I swear I was drunk. And I can't believe the depths to which I've sunk. Now I know it's been hard, and I know I've been weak, but with your job and the bills, well, you can't blame me. It's just one of those things, we'll see it through. From this second on, it's just me and you. And as the chirrups of cocks assault my ears, a rambling hand takes over, and I contemplate murder in the scene of the crime, but the guilt and the victim weigh heavy on my mind. Perhaps a simple diversion, a leap and I'm gone. night ever happened is the drug she's on, and I can't see my clothes anyway. They're probably lining the stairs and down through the hallway. And as I turn to confront her, to tell her the truth, those eyes, that mouth, those shoulders, those shoulders. I'm in bed with your best friend. I'm in bed with your best friend. I'm in bed with your